What is going on, Bevy people? Today, I'm just going to answer one of the questions that I got in the OnlyFans training club that we run. And one of the models asks one more question. Does OnlyFans have any restrictions on using music in videos? I know Instagram is a nightmare and wondered if I might have the same issues with OnlyFans. What she's asking about is if she's recording some clips or videos of herself, if in the background there could be some music. Um, and I wasn't exactly sure. Now, but I know that Instagram will ban your content if you're using copyrighted material, any type of pop culture type music. Twitter is a little easier, a little better than that. And I wasn't sure what OnlyFans policy was. So I sent customer service a message, and I'll pull up the response here. So what they said is, hey there, thanks for reaching out. Our users must act within the basic boundaries of international copyright regulations. You can post the video with the background music. However, in case we receive a complaint from the copyright owner, you'll be forced to remove the video from our platform. So this is pretty good. No one's gonna, no one, if you record a video and there's, a Michael Jackson song in the background, or I don't know, whoever you like, it's not gonna, no one's gonna throw you a copyright strike. So you shouldn't worry about it with OnlyFans. With Instagram, you definitely should. They won't allow you to do it. They'll either mute it. YouTube will do the same. But if you're, planning to do some clips of you and there's some music in the background, or if you're dancing or doing anything, stripping on OnlyFans, this shouldn't be an issue at all. So that's the basic question for today. I want to thank the models who are in our club. Make my videos based upon what they need answers for. If you don't know, you should go check out our OnlyFans training club. There's a bunch of free trials still available. Those links will be in the description below. So that's going to be it for me today, the shortest tutorial I've ever made. Hope you all have a good day and wish you luck. Peace.